salsa are Tex-Mex cuisine. Its origins are in Mexico and have been modernized in Texas, America. Today on Spice Box, we will learn how to make this healthy dish. Tortillas are cooked with a stuffing of bean and cheese until melty and delicious and served with a tangy, spicy salsa. The ingredients we require today are 1 cup of rajma that has been boiled and mashed, 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of tomatoes, 1 cup of grated cheese, half a cup of tomato puree, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon green chilies, about a teaspoon or even less of oregano seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, a tablespoon each of parsley and coriander, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and tortillas or ready-made rotis. Let's start by making the salsa. So take your tomatoes. Make sure you use nice juicy ripe ones, not the yellow kind, so the flavor is really good. Onions, tomato paste or puree, lime juice, green chilies, salt, parsley, coriander leaves, a bit of pepper, a pinch of red chili powder, and just another pinch of oregano seasoning. Now mix this really well and keep this aside in the refrigerator for about half an hour to an hour. So we'll start by assembling our tortilla quesadilla. So take tortillas or ready-made rotis. Now if you don't have ready-made rotis, just make a really big roti made with maida and you can use that as well. Slightly warm it on both sides. Then take a little bit of butter. Let it melt. Now add your roti or tortilla and lay some beans along 1/2 of the tortilla. Cheese, 1 cup. So in 1 cup we can make about 2. So use about half cup, a 1/4 to a half cup of cheese. Sprinkle on some parsley, some salt, and a little bit of oregano seasoning or just oregano powder as well. Now flip the tortilla over and press it down to make this semicircle. This is a quesadilla. Flip it over and cook it on the other side, and you need to cook this for only about a minute or 2 on each side, just until the cheese melts. As simple as that, our quesadilla is done. Remove it onto your platter and then make the next one. Just lightly warm it on each side. Add some butter. The beans or your rajma. Cheese. A little bit of parsley, some salt, and a pinch of the oregano. Flip it over and let this cook for just about a minute. And there, we're done. As easy as that. Bean and cheese quesadilla along with salsa makes a great appetizer, lunch, or even dinner. Your family and friends will be impressed by your cooking skills when you serve them this masterpiece.